So La Montre Hermès introduced last year the new Slim collection, which had a big success. How can you explain this success?
Well, I think that it's a perfect watch for Hermès. It's elegant, modern, simple, but still very distinctive, and that's part of what Hermès is about style.
And how are you going to expand this collection?
So we have a few additions to the line this year. We are introducing new dial color. We are introducing more precious version in the large size. In fact, we presented the line in last Basel, but we have delivered on the market mostly at the end of the year, so we are still really in the launching period.
After 4 or 5 months of presence in the market, we are absolutely happy with the success of this line. Both for women models and for men mechanical models, with our manufacture movement introduced last year, made by Vaucher, as you know. So as a result, we continue, and one of the axes of this Basel World 016 fair is for us to go deeply into the slim line and to propose additional models, additional colors, additional variations upon that line.
And has it had an impact on the perception of La Montre Hermès as a watchmaker?
I think very clearly it had an impact because first the press was really unanimous about the interest of that piece on an aesthetical point of view and on a technical point of view. And certainly it has increased the perception of Hermès as a true and serious Swiss watchmaker.
And today we are in a more bizarre economic environment. How is La Montre Hermès affected by this?
Well, you know, as we are a public listed company, our figures are public. Last year, Hermès had a fantastic year, the brand. The watch activity was stable. We had a 0% growth, which in that situation is not such a bad performance, and more than that, we had a growth in our own stores.
016, I hope we will do the same. I cannot tell you right away because it's too early. For sure, it's still an unstable environment, but we are confident in our ability to grow in our both segment, men and women lines.
Do you believe that having the brand Hermès to accompany this development is really a strong point and make things maybe a little bit easier for you?
Well, I would say definitely Hermès is perceived as a very strong brand, a very prestigious brand, and I think the dynamism that we had in 2015, which has been, we have been the most successful brand in terms of growth of turnover, is of course a strong asset for 2016.
For sure it helps. Absolutely.